Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Welcome back to the next video lesson. In the previous video lesson we had the ant and the grasshopper. I hope you all have went through the lesson, completed your notes and have done all the homeworks that is given by the teacher. Now next lesson we have another story. It will be lesson 8. See, next lesson will be lesson 8, the mango tree and the banyan tree. Here in this lesson we have two kinds of tree. You can see here mango tree. Can you see mangoes here? Yes. And banyan tree. Can you see these roots, these long roots which banyan tree has? And can you see some difference here? Yes, right? There are many animals living here. Maybe a squirrel, a snake. There are birds, small birds, eggs and everything. But in the mango tree, we find that there is no one here. So, we are going to learn something very nice here today. So, do you think we all need each other? Do you all need your friends, your relatives, your cousins, your parents? Do you need them, or you can stay alone? You can just take care of yourself and be alone. Can you? Without speaking to anyone, I will be alone today. No one, I don't need anyone. Can you do that? No, we cannot. We need each and everyone, right? We need each other. We need to help each other. We need to help them, then they will help us. So, let's see what is going to happen with banyan tree and the mango tree. To know that, I want you all to open page number 47. Take out your banyan tree book, semester 2, page number 47. And you remember the rule, using your index finger, follow as I read out the lesson and keep a pencil to underline the important words too. Lesson 8, the mango tree and the banyan tree. The mango tree and the banyan tree in the forest were friends. Underline the mango tree. Next, banyan tree. Underline mango tree. Next, banyan tree. The last word in that sentence, friends. Friends. Underline friends. We'll go to the next sentence. Every day and every night, many birds, insects, and animals came to rest in the trees. Underline the word birds, insects, animals. The mango tree did not like the animals. I shall drive them away, he said. Underline the word drive. They make a lot of noise and dirty the place. Underline the word noise. They make a lot of noise, underline the word noise, and dirty, underline the word dirty, and dirty the place. The banyan tree said, "Don't do that. We need each other. We must live together." Underline the word together. Once again, repeat along with me this paragraph. The banyan tree said, "Don't do that. We need each other. We must live together." Underline the word live together. Underline the word live and next together. Go to the next paragraph. But the mango tree did not listen. One day, the mango tree drove all the animals away. Underline the word drove. That evening, 2 woodcutters came to the forest. Underline the word woodcutters. Underline the word woodcutters. They saw the big mango tree. There are no animals here, so let's cut this tree, said one of them. and they began cutting the mango tree. Underline the word cutting. And they began cutting the mango tree. Go to the next paragraph. I told you, said the banyan tree sadly. We need the animals and they need us. If we do not help each other, we can get hurt. Underline the word hurt. Once again, repeat this last paragraph along with me. I told you, said the banyan tree sadly. We need the animals and they need us. If we do not help each other, we can get hurt. Underline the word hurt. So students, I hope you have followed the lesson along with me and you have understood the story. So let me explain it to you more clearly and more briefly. In this lesson we have two trees. Which are those? The mango tree. Mango tree. Do you all love mango? Yes, we all love mango, right? And next is the banyan tree. Banyan tree, do you eat any fruit given by the banyan tree? No, I think, right? We don't have. But we most of the time they tie the swing to the banyan tree. Like in olden days, now I don't know. In olden days, have you seen swing? Mostly swings are tied to the banyan tree. Even these long roots, we can use it to hang or swing with it. So this is the banyan tree. In banyan tree, what can you see here? Can you see a nest where there are eggs? I hope you can see. I have drawn eggs over here, and we have other nests in which there are small birds who cannot fly. We have snake here. Can you see a snake? We have a snake and there is a squirrel and everything. At the same time, when you look at the mango tree, you cannot find any animals here, right? So, but before, in both the trees there were many animals. Many animals, birds and insects used to live in these trees. But mango tree did not like this. They both were friends. But mango tree did not like the animals, birds and insects coming under them and resting over there. They used to come and rest. They used to prepare their nest on them. So he didn't like. He used to feel that all the animals come and they make lots of noise. They dirty the place. They do all sorts of things and they dirty the place. So this was his opinion, and he told banyan tree that one day I am going to drive all these animals away. But what did the banyan tree said? Banyan tree was more humble and he was very clever. He told, no, don't do that. We all need each other. We all must live together. But in spite of saying this, mango tree did not listen to banyan tree. What did he do one day? One day he threw all the birds. He did not allow even the animals to come. Okay, this is an imaginary story. Plants cannot speak, right? But here we can see the plants, the trees are speaking. So this is an imaginary story. So one day what will the mango tree do? In the picture you can see mango tree will take all the birds and throw away. He will drive them all away. After very next day, two woodcutters. Who are the woodcutters? Have you heard this word before? Woodcutters. Woodcutters are the people or person who cut the tree. The one who cut the tree is known as woodcutter. Okay. So two woodcutters came to the forest and they saw the mango tree. There was no animal in it. Now you must be thinking, if there is no animal, why should they cut mango tree? You see, just imagine there is a chiku tree at your home and you want to take the chiku. Is it easy to climb the tree? There will be ants, right? Most of the time ants come and bite you. Right? So if any animals are staying in that particular tree, it's not easy to cut. If there is nest of any bird, then that bird will not allow the woodcutter to cut that tree. It will trouble the woodcutter. Or maybe if there is a snake, If there is a snake, will snake allow the woodcutter to cut the tree? No, it will come and bite it, right? So, but here when they saw, there were no animal, there is no danger, there is no bird that will trouble, there is no snake, nothing is there. So, we can easily cut this mango tree. They came and cut this mango tree. When they were cutting, banyan tree felt very sad because they were friends, right? So, he felt very sad and he told that I had already told you, you should not drive all these animals away. We all need each other. If the mango tree would have given the shelter and space for the animals and birds to sit on it, then woodcutters wouldn't have cut it down. So, the moral here is we all need each other. It's not only that human beings, not only that we need our friends or our friends need us, we need our mother and our mothers need us. It's not only human being, even the things, the environment that we find around us, we all need each other, right? See, plants, if you just say that I don't need these plants and if you just go on cutting, is it okay? No. There are many things that we get from plant, right? There are many medicines that we get from plant. Most important thing, we get food. We get food from plant. We get rice, different kind of fruits and vegetables from plants. Even, we all breathe. We all breathe. Do you all breathe? Do you know where do we get the oxygen? Can you feel breathing? Do you know where do we get this oxygen from? This oxygen is provided to us from plant. So, we all need each other. We have to take care of each other. We cannot be very greedy and we cannot only think about ourselves. If we want ourselves to be healthy, then we are supposed to take care of other things too, even our environment, that is plants, animals, birds, and even your friends, the people around you. So, we have some of the important words here. We will go through it. Mango tree. Look at the spelling of mango. M-A-N-G-O. M-A-N man, G-O go. Mango tree. T-R-E-E tree. Next, banyan tree. Banyan. B-A-N-Y-A-N. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan tree. T-R-E-E. Banyan tree. Forest. Forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. Forest means jungle. Jungle, right? Other word for the jungle is forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. Next we have birds. Birds. You can see the flying bird, or even in the sky you might be seeing birds, right? Look at the spelling. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. Repeat after me. B-I-R-D-S. D-S. Birds. Next we have insects. Look at the spelling. In. I-N. In. S-E-C. Sect. Insect. T-S. Insects. I-N-S-E-C-T-S. Insects. Next we have animals. Look at the spelling. Annie. A-N-I. Annie. M-A-L-S. Animals. M-A-L-S. Mals. Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Next, drive. Drive means to send them away. Drive them away, okay? D-R-I-V-E, drive. The other meaning, driving a car. In the same way, drive, or in this lesson, drive means to send them away, to put them out, okay? Drive them away. Look at the spelling. Drive. D-R-I-V-E. Drive. Next we have noise. Noise. N-O-I-S-E. Noise. N-O-I-S-E. Noise. Dirty. Dirty. D-I-R. Dirty. T. Dirty. D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. Next we have live. Live. L-I-V-E. Live. Repeat after me. L-I-V-E. Live. Together. T-O-2 G-E-T-H-E-R, together. T-O-2-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. Drove, D-R-O-V-E, drove. See here, drive and drove. Okay. Next, this is the present tense. Drive is the present tense. Drove is the past tense, which you are doing now. If you are driving away, drive away something means which you are doing now, present tense. Drove is past tense, which you have done already. Okay, drove, D-R-O-V-E, drove. You have already done it, drove. Next, woodcutters, wood, W-O-O-D, wood. Okay, wood means this part of the plant, wood. Okay, woodcutters, woodcutters, C-U-T-T-E-R-S, woodcutters. The person who cuts the wood or cuts the tree is known as woodcutters. Look at the spelling once again, W-O-O-D, wood, C-U-T-T-E-R-S, woodcutters. Next we have hurt, getting hurt. Okay, see here, H-U-R-T, hurt, H-U-R-T, hurt. So I hope you all have understood these words and their meanings. Go through these words, learn this spelling once again. So remember, we all need each other, and if we don't help each other, we can even get hurt. So keep this moral in your mind. Read the lesson once again, go through these words and take care of yourself. Till then, Jazakumullahu khaira.
Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wallah.